Right, we're going to have a go at changing this Renault BCM ECU. Now, it's probably coded to the car. So I've bought one off some A1 breakers. I think it's a world of doom. But basically, it is not starting. Now, we did a video some years ago where it had the same thing. So you turn the key and no ignition lights come on, but your battery's fully charged. Now, you can try disconnecting and reconnecting your battery. And that, we did it a couple of times, and that sort of was okay. But now we got a problem where we started it by doing this and then it wouldn't shut off and we had to stall it to close it. So let me show you what the problem is and then we'll get on and have a look. Well, let's have a look how Alicia's doing. She's under the bonnet. Right, so first of all, you've got to remove your water header tank. So there's a 10mm bolt just there. Can I just have a look, Alicia?
Yeah.
Just there, and then she'll get that off and then pull that out. But let me, while she's doing that, show you the problem. So we've got a good fully charged battery. We come in here, we do unlock, lock, just give it a bit of a cycle in case the immobilizer's playing up. You put your key in, you turn it, and look, you've got nothing. Now, your radio will come on, like it's got the code because we disconnected. So the key's working, it's turning the ignition on, but there's just no joy. So I think, now we've checked the relays, I'll show you where the relays are, and they all seem okay. So I think, and you can hear the relays clicking. But it's clearly not like a starter motor issue because the lights don't come on. So that's the problem we're doing. Right, so now the internet says it's most likely to be this BCU, ECU, BCM, whatever they want to call it in this Frenchy Renault world. But there's your battery, your fuses are there. So we've checked all the fuses, we've checked the relays look okay, we've unplugged, look for damage. Right, have you got that water?
Yeah.
Right, so you can hoik this water bottle expansion tank out the way, chuck that right out the way, and then you've got the lid to the fuse. Oh, well done, you've whipped all those out already, have you?
Oh, sorry.
Some of them. Is there one in the corner there? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that last one looks a bit tricky. And we'll whip the cover off the... This is the engine bay fuse box, but we'll have a look in it when we get that one out. Look if there's any spiders in there, shall we, Alicia? The Mini got you the other day with the spiders, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
He's need a bit of leverage, do we? He's not. Oh, he's tight, isn't he?
Yes.
Oh, there you go. I've got him at the back edge, so it must have a rubber seal in it of sorts. So there you go. So that's, and it's not a bad place to live for a ECU Fusebox MCU thing. So was it on some sort of clips? It's on, that lifts out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I can't remember quite how. Oh, they just sort of wiggles out. That. Okay. And then on the underside of it, we've got loads and loads of connections we've got to unplug. Now, they've all got a little pressy bit in, but you can basically just press on the side of the connector there, okay, and pull them all out. And I think we worked out you can't get them wrong. I think they're all foolproof. Or we didn't get them wrong. But you could take a picture with your phone, or you could look at my video now. Look, if I get them up, look. There you go, save you taking a picture. Look, that's the order they all go in. And we've checked, and see the little sneaky fuses, but we checked all them sneaky fuses, didn't we? Yeah. So we are now going to unplug it, and we're going to plug the other one in, but I don't think it's going to like it. I think we're probably, the way this video is going to play out is we're probably going to send the other one back to A1 breakers, and we're probably going to have to send this off for ECU testing and get it fixed. See if it is that. Right, Alicia's swapped those over. So we've got the van, A1 van breakers. Right, so have you found the keys, Alicia?
Yeah,
They're on the front. Right, go in the front then, Alicia. Right, so just for fun, I'm going to disconnect the battery, wait 10 seconds, okay, and then reconnect the battery. All right, now if you unlock it on the key fob, just to be sure. Right, try that, see if that does anything. Check it's in neutral. Yeah. Oh, we got lights on. We got wipers on. Whoa! So the BCMs aren't coded. Give me 5. There we go. So we just swapped it. They're not coded. A1 van brake, because I'm loving A1. Let me just give them a look at that. So there you go. A1 van breakers, we love you! Right, let's not get too excited, although we are quite excited. Does it turn off? Because the other one didn't turn off. Turns off and everything, and we can get a little victory wipe on the wipers. That is a result. We're going to go and have a cup of tea.